Good day, I am Sayid Kasan. So the topic for today is barriers of listening. So let's proceed to introduction. Barriers to effective listening can include distraction, preconceived notions, emotional interference, and a lack of focus. Additionally, cultural differences, language barriers, and physical factors like noise can impede the listening process. Overcoming these barriers involves conscious effort and active engagement in the communication process. Then next I'm gonna show you is the model of barriers of listening. Common barriers to effective listening. Common barriers to effective listening include distraction, preoccupation with one thought, cultural differences, emotional reaction, and a lack of empathy. Additionally, interruption and a judgmental attitude can impede understanding during a conversation. Physical and environmental barriers, language barriers, making assumption, too much information, tone of voice. Speech ability, language, and articulation. Speech ability or language articulation refers to the capacity to produce sounds and words clearly and effectively to convey meaning. It involves the coordination of various speech organs such as the tongue, lips, vocal cords, and others to articulate sounds that make up spoken language. The process also includes proper intonation, rhythm, and stress patterns, all of which contribute to effective communication. Speech ability is curricular for expressing thoughts, ideas, and emotions, and it plays a significant role in language development and social interaction. Foreign language spoken. A foreign language is a language that is not widely spoken or used by the people of a community, society, or nation. In other words, it refers to any language other than that spoken by the people of a specific place. Dysphonia is a voice disorder characterized by abnormal or impaired vocal quality, pitch, loudness, or resonance. It can result from various causes, such as vocal cord nodules, neurological issues, or inflammation. Treatment may involve voice therapy or medical intervention depending on the underlying condition. Time constraint on physician or a patient. Time constraint on physician and patients refers to the limited time available during medical appointments. For physician, it means managing a busy schedule with multiple patients, potentially affecting the depth of each consultation. Patients may also experience time constraint leading to brief interaction and challenges in fully discussing health concerns. Efficient communication and prioritizing the key issues become crucial in optimizing these brief encounters. Illness refers to a person in a healthy condition. This is a general term that describes a state of poor health. It can refer to various conditions such as infection, flu, colds, or more serious illness. Symptoms may include fatigue, fever, coughing, and other discomforts. Seeking medical advice can help identify the specific illness and appropriate treatment. Mental state. Mental state refers to an individual's emotion and psychological condition at a specific moment. It encompasses feelings, thoughts, and overall cognitive functioning, influencing behavior and perception. Medication effects. The number one example of medication effects is pain reliever, reduce pain signal to the brain, and the second example is anti-inflammatories, reduce inflammation, easing symptoms like swelling and pain. Always follow your healthcare provider's instruction and consult them for specific information about a particular medication. If you have a specific type of medication in mind, feel free to mention it for more detailed information. Psychological and emotional state. Psychological emotional state refers to an individual's mental and emotional condition at a given moment. It encompasses feelings, thoughts, and mood, influencing behavior and overall well-being. Factors like stress, relationship, and personal experience can significantly impact one's psychological emotional state. Gender differences. Gender differences typically refer to the variation in behavior roles, expectations, and societal norms associated with being male or female. This distinction can arise from a combination of biological, psychological, and socio-cultural factors. It's important to recognize that gender differences are not absolute and can vary widely among individuals. Biological factors such as hormonal influences contribute to some distinction, while socialization and cultural norms play a significant role in shaping gender roles and behaviors. Understanding these differences helps navigate discussions about equality, diversity, and the complex interplay between biology and culture in shaping our perception of gender. Race and culture. Race refers to the categorization of people based on physical attributes such as skin color and facial features. Culture, on the other hand, encompasses shared beliefs, values, customs, and practices of a particular group. While races is often associated with biological traits, culture is more related to social behaviors and traditions. It's important to recognize that these concepts are distinct and individuals within a racial group can have diverse cultures. So the first question is the project organized and well throughout? Yes, the project is organized and well throughout. And the second question is presentation meets acceptable time frame. To ensure your presentation fits the acceptable time frame, practice your delivery and time yourself, of course, and aim to stay within the allocated time to keep the audience engaged and focused. And the third question is your video interesting? Does your video demonstrate creativity in presenting your information? Is the video of good presentation quality? And yes, it gives you information about barriers of listening, and the presentation is quality because of it explain and learn about the video. And the fourth question is, does the presentation cover the required elements truly? There are three key elements of good presentation. Number one is content. Number two is organization. Number three is delivery. Your audience needs interesting and appropriate content in order to pay attention. Yes. Does your video stay focused on an informative topic? Does it promote the use of technology to inform the audience about the topic? Yes, I did focus on the uses of technology. The outer purpose in discussing barriers to listening is likely to raise awareness about factors that hinder effective communication and to provide insights on overcoming these obstacles. And my purpose regarding barriers is to help individuals recognize and overcome these obstacles, fostering better communication and understanding in various aspects of their lives. And why did I choose this topic? Because a barrier to listening is anything that is hindering you from recognizing, understanding, and accurately interpreting the message that are receiving. Well, discuss 4 barriers to effective listening: information overload, prejudice or prejudging, rate of speech and thought, and internal and external distractions.